Kale, avocado, pumpkin and goji berry salad. Prepare the ingredients. Heat an oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Chop a quarter of a pumpkin into bite-sized pieces and place on a baking sheet. Sprinkle with some salt and pepper to taste. Place into the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, roughly chop 4 handfuls of kale and place in a large bowl. Add 1 cup of dried goji berries. Add 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Add half a cup of raw cashew nuts. Thinly slice half a red onion into crescents and place into the bowl. Place the meat of 2 avocados into the bowl. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix, mashing with your hands so the avocados soften the kale leaves. Remove the pumpkin from the oven. Add the pieces of roast pumpkin to the bowl. Mix well and serve on a platter with mint leaves.